Hey there everybody, this is just a second look at an axe I reviewed years ago. This is from Wetterlings, and this is the sheath that you get with it. This is the Swedish Scout Axe, and you probably know Wetterlings isn't really in business anymore. I think Gransfors Bruks bought them out. And I don't think they use the name at all anymore. But let's take a look at this really cool Scout hatchet here. It's got a nice hickory handle, decent grain orientation. It does come with this sticker on it. But it's stamped like kind of burned right into the wood. Wetterlings genuine hickory. So let's get this sheath off here, get a good look at it. Such an interesting sheath that you get though. But yeah, I need both hands for this, so give me a second. Okay, there it is. You can see it's stamped SAW Wetterlings right into the metal. It's got a nail puller on it, kind of a satin finished blade, and then the rest of the axe head's painted green. Has the red handle at the bottom. Try to get that all in the camera there. It does have some scuffs on it. I have wax all over the tip of the blade there, as you can see. It only has a wood wedge. Made in Sweden, Swedish steel. But let me wipe some of that oil off of the blade there. And then we'll do some measurements and a paper cutting test, I guess. Looking at about 15 inches overall, and just the metal part of the head right there. This is just under 2 inches, and it flares out. Goes all the way to about 2 3/4 for the blade. About 1 5/8 for the width of the pole. Okay, I got a sheet of printer paper here. And here it is. I just tried to get as much of that wax off the blade edge as I could. But let's see if it's still sharp. Yeah, not too bad. If you get it at the right angle, it's actually pretty sharp. Getting it at the right angle though. But yeah, it's a good sharp edge. Okay, this is the Scout Bruks anniversary hatchet they just come out with. I wrapped the handle. This is just hickory wood right here, and then it's painted red from about here down. Very similar to this. But you can see the difference there. Both of these are made in Sweden. The red is pretty much identical, but the green is different. This is more of a forest, like pine green, and this looks almost like maybe like an olive or an avocado type of green. This one has a slightly larger blade. And this is the sheath that you get with the anniversary Scout Bruks version. And you also get this little key ring that comes with a nail, because I guess they got their start making ship nails back in the day. But this one, if you can even find one, you get the Scout hatchet and a really decent sheath. But yeah, this one has a thicker, like, I don't know if it's more curved. It's just a little shorter and a little thicker in the handle, but they're almost identical. Okay, just for size comparison, this is it beside an Ontario Blackbird. This is the S35 VN version. But that would be a decent setup for going out in the woods there. Got a nice hatchet and a decent belt knife to go with it. And you can see, scaled beside the knife, that this hatchet is not huge. $734 grams and 1 pound, 9.9 ounces. Well, I hope you enjoyed this updated look at the Wetterlings Swedish Scout Axe #1. I hope you enjoyed this video.
This is Joe Doomsday, signing out. Know that